So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a border to text here in Alight Motion. So once you have your video selected that you want to add text to, go to the bottom right, select the plus icon, then in the bottom right again, select text. Now, once you're here, a bunch of different options you guys can go with. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in the word border like this. I will then make it a little bit larger. I will then make the color of it red just like that. So once your text is selected, I want you to exit out of there, and I want you to tap on the text screen right here. A bunch of different options right here, but I want you to go down to where it says border and shadow and select that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and turn on the border by pressing this, and then you can go ahead and change the border thickness. You can make it thicker, you can make it thinner like that, and if you want to change the color of it where it says stroke, you can do that as well. So if this looks good to you and you have your border selected, you can play your video, and the border is added accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a border to text here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.